units in Borough Manhattan, stand by for a department message. All units in Borough Manhattan, stand by for a department message. All units in Borough Manhattan, the department message is as follows. Prepare necessary equipment, snow chains, shovels, etc., fuel, and test all reserve, brush fire, RRV, and other apparatus. Signed, Chief of Operations, John Fdny. All units in Borough Manhattan, the department message is as follows. Due to weather conditions, all training at Randall's Island has been canceled for tonight, 11/15/2018. Signed, Chief of Department, James E. Leonard.